Welcome to this Excel tutorial. Are you looking to take your data visualization skills to the next level? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create panel charts in Excel, a powerful way to compare multiple datasets side by side. Panel charts are perfect for tracking trends, analyzing performance, or presenting clean and professional visuals for reports and dashboards. Let's jump right into it and transform your data into insights. First, prepare the data. Make sure to create those empty columns in the data, then select all data, including empty column, and insert a line chart. Adjust the legend on the top. Format the color of chart lines. For dividers in the chart, I am going to create a new data. Now I am going to add this into the existing chart to create a scatter chart. Now convert this chart type into scatter chart. Add this chart series into secondary axis. Now add the y-axis as well. Create the error bars. Now put the error amount into fixed amount 1. Error direction into plus. I hope you found this tutorial on creating panel charts in Excel helpful and easy to follow. Panel charts are a fantastic way to showcase your data effectively, and now you have the skills to make them like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on Excel, data visualization, and dashboards. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and creating amazing visuals with Excel. See you in the next video.